Hello and welcome to this session on basic customizations in WordPress. WordPress provides a platform for creating a websites and blogs. It packs a ton of features. It's also really customizations friendly. If you want to change anything about it, WordPress allows you to do so in one way or the other. In this session, we will show you how to customize the appearance, which describes look and feel of a WordPress website using some basic configurations. I assume you are familiar with how to add the basic content such as page, post and blog in WordPress sites. First, we will log in to the sites which we have created. Just open the wordpress.com. At the upper right corner, you will find one options login. Just click on that. You have to log in with your existing user account. Press continue. Enter the password and press the login button. In the upper left corner, you find My Sites options. Just click on that. And just below that, I have the site which I have created. We can set a custom header, logo, custom background. We can adjust the color and theme. We can also do the additional theme-based customizations. We can add the media. We can set up menu and the widgets, etc. This is my WordPress website. At the bottom right corner, you will find this icon. Just click on it. These sections, it provides the customizations features. From this part, we can customize the appearance and we can customize the look and feel of our website. The first option is a site identity. As I have told, you can set the logo, you can set the site title, you can also assign the tagline for your WordPress website. From here, you can also add the site icon. To add the icon, you need to click this select icon button. You are required to just drag and drop file on this window, or you can choose the item from this media library. These three items that I have already added in my media library. So you can also select the image from this part. Else you can upload the new file by selecting file options from here. The second option is we can change the colors and background. We can also change the font of headings. We can also change the font, a base font of our content from here. It will list out the available font. From here, from this drop down, you can change the font as you wish. We can also change the header image from here. To add a new image, you have to click on that, and you can upload the new file, or you can select the file from the media library. We can also add the menu. Just click on this create a new menu and assign the menu name. You can also specify the menu locations, right? Where you want to place or where you want to appear your menu in your page. You can either select the header or social menu. Generally, we can add the page to a menu. We can also reorder them to get a new menu. Here, content options. From this portion, you can customize this post details, author biography, author bio, blog display, and featured image. Widgets. We can also place the widgets. A widget is nothing but a small applications that runs within your website. For example, this is a text widget which actually does not do anything but simply to display the text which is inside. So you can place your widgets in a sidebar, footer 1, footer 2, or footer 3. You can add the site page from here. Just press this add button. You can also add the new post by clicking on this button add. We can also add the media to our library by clicking on this button. As a media, we can select image, we can add the documents, we can add the videos and audios. We can also customize this theme from here. These are the available themes. So this is all about customizing a WordPress website. Now, to save the changes, you are required to click on the publish button. Suppose you have made any changes to your existing websites and you need to save those changes, then you are required to click on this publish button. Now it's time to think about the answer of this reflections questions. The question is, what is the name of the first page you encountered after logging into your web page? Just think about it a few seconds. The correct answer is A. It's a dashboard. The second question is, once you have entered your content onto your blog and completed the final edits, what button do you activate to send it live? The correct answer is publish. You are required to click on publish to activate and to send it live. So to summarize, you can customize the website by clicking on customize in the bottom right. Just press this visit site. You can customize the website by clicking on customize in the bottom right here. You can change the title. You can change the color, fonts, header image, menus, widgets. We saw how to add a media to the pages, how to change the theme and to add a new widgets. Thank you for listening.